Ultimately, feeling safe in the body means coming back to the present moment. I was sharing in this video where this comment was posted that I have manifested everything that I desired in the past year, not by focusing on my desires, but focusing on coming back into the present moment and feeling safe in my body. I teach this in my new 12-day journey called the Anti-Manifesting Manifestation Guide. But essentially what you're going to learn is all you need to do is teach your body to feel safe in the now. Heal your nervous system and move from that fight or flight state into the state of receivership and safety. This is literally all you need to learn. This is literally all you need to do is rewire your body to come back into the now. Teach your body to feel safe in the uncertainty, in the unknown. Like, this manifesting process is not about wishing away challenges or ignoring your emotions. It's about teaching yourself resilience. It's about telling yourself that even though I'm going through this, even though this challenge is right in front of me, even though this reality is ultimately not the reality that I want to live in, I can handle it. What happens to most of us is we are deflecting and we are trying not to experience the spectrum of the human experience, right? So we only want to live in the spectrum of love and joy and peace and abundance. And of course, that's possible. But that does not come in the expense of ignoring the other spectrum, which is doubt and fear and uncertainty and anger and frustration and, experiences like rejection and abandonment. And all of these experiences are sacred. And when you teach your body that it doesn't matter what my outside looks like, my internal energetic state is so strong that I can handle it. I can go through anything. And if you want to start to do this on your own, really just sit with yourself for like 5 to 10 minutes every day and do box breathing. So it's like 4 inhales in, hold it at the top for 4, and then exhale for 4. And see how your entire energy will start to shift. That is how we teach our bodies to feel safe in the present moment. So we're not projecting our energy into the past. We're not ruminating on past thoughts. And we're also not projecting our energy into the future. Like, it's okay to imagine your desires, but part of it is actually coming back to the now, because again, you can only receive your desires right now, right? Like, desires are created in the present moment. It's not created in the future because you're not there, and you're also not in the past. You're here. So feeling safe starts by understanding the power of presence, the power of this present moment. From my experience, I promise you, there is nothing you have to do other than feel good about yourself, about your life, about where you're going, and really having that internal feeling of certainty. And I know that when you are in fight or flight or you are in doubt, it may be difficult to feel that, peace and like certainty. And again, this is why my anti-manifesting manifestation guide will help you, because we're going to go through all of those feelings and emotions that keep us stuck in the loop of fear and lack and doubt, right? So give that a try, at least if you want to try it on your own. Do some box breathing, and I know that your life is going to change in literally less than 30 days. Give yourself a week and things are going to start coming to you.